Hey Matt, when you're looking at a company for the first time, what catches your attention?
And what I think is the most important metric is return on invested capital. So that's after tax operating profits relative to the total amount of debt and equity capital. There's a couple of things I look for. I'd like to see revenue and earnings growth. What I really like to see is when earnings are growing faster than revenue, so when margins are actually going up. Another thing I look for is free cash flow generation. And particularly free cash flow margins. So if free cash flow is very high relative to sales, and hopefully that's going up over time, that's an interesting metric. And usually when we calculate return on invested capital, we'll take an average, and if the return on invested capital is high, let's say a minimum of 15%, that is an indication that the company has some kind of competitive advantage that allows it to earn higher returns. So those are just a few things that catch my eye initially, that may lead me into doing further research on a company.